Okay, guys. You know, you should say in my videos because they're kind of, you know, better than PewDiePie's. Just saying.
Are you sure about that?
I'm just kidding. It's not true. Well, obviously it's not true. All right, so guys, today we're going to be like messing around with a green screen. I got a green screen. I'm not using it right now, but I got a green screen. I will be using it in like face cam videos now. But yeah, we're gonna mess around with the green screen, okay, guys? Wait, do you guys hear that? Oh God! Right, yeah. So there's like stuff. Oh, the fire's starting back up again. Oh, we got some water here. Is it even here? I don't know. We got water here. We're just gonna. Oh, the fire's gone. Whoa, mind blown. I probably shouldn't make this more difficult than it has to be. Oh my God. If you want me to do gaming, I can make a gaming channel. Okay, don't worry. Guys, yeah, I'm just really good at YouTube. So, I'm probably not gonna ever quit YouTube or ever stop making videos. Just saying that right now. Hey, look at that nice quality microwave. Oh God. Ooh.